Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to show all tools in Adobe Illustrator 2021, 2022 and 2023. Adobe Illustrator's toolbar in newer installation may only display one row of basic tools like this. Additionally, you may also notice that the system tools and the system tools setting menus are missing. To fix this problem, navigate to Windows, then choose Toolbars and click on Advanced. Your toolbar will display all your tools once you enable. Now you can still access of your tools using the basic tools if you prefer a more streamlined look. You will just need to use this little submenu here represented by these three dots. By clicking on that, you will be able to access all your entire toolkit. In this regard, the tools, settings and system tools to enable that, navigate to Windows and then choose Controls. The menu should appear near the top of your system screen. Hope you will like my videos. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.